And then you will wonder, how do I know how to sketch? Actually, I learn by myself. It's all about self-taught. I think kids hope and plan of pencil. I think for kids, I try to sketch like this landscape. Describe it. Wet. Wet. Okay. Okay. I notice. Okay, I notice. Okay, anything that we saw, we feel, then we say I notice. I notice what? Okay, look at here. Let me test you. What do you notice? Kids? Sorry? Different parts of plant. What else? Kids? Again, the first one. The name of the fish and the species, and then it's good for you. And this is user. Say 3 prongs, right? What's the first one?
I noticed.
Okay, I noticed. Okay, you know. Okay, when we go out, explore. Okay, Nature Journal is all about explore. How many people knows that this thing is the tree? It's quite big. Not only green. I don't know what to say. Apa macam ni?